This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately by isolating power, unplug and verify with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once done, lay out tools, wire strippers, a sharp knife, heat shrink tubing, and either solder or butt connectors. Now measure and mark, cut away the frayed section so both ends are square and clean. Make sure you leave about 1/2 inch of exposed conductor after stripping. This gives you room to join wires properly and prevents weak crimps or cold solder joints. You now strip each conductor about 1/2 inch. Do this carefully to avoid cutting strands, because intact strands mean better conductivity. Next, match colors and twist the copper ends together for mechanical strength. Then either solder the joint for permanence or crimp with a rated butt connector if you prefer no heat work. Once every joint is secure, slide heat shrink tubing over each splice so that when you apply heat it will flow and seal. This prevents shorting and keeps moisture out. Finish by shrinking each tube with a heat gun until it forms a snug seal, then restore the outer jacket with tape or split loom for mechanical protection. Once assembled, test continuity and polarity with a multimeter. Check for proper connections, and ensure there are no shorts between conductors. Finally, reinforce strain relief where the cord meets the plug to prevent future failure and test under a light load. If you still see intermittent connection, recheck each splice for cold solder or loose crimp as your troubleshooting focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.